Pears, with their succulent texture and sweet flavor, have long been celebrated as a delicious and nutritious fruit. However, emerging research suggests that pears may possess therapeutic properties, capable of reversing kidney damage, offering hope to those suffering from renal conditions. While further clinical studies are needed to confirm these findings, the preliminary evidence is promising and underscores the potential of incorporating pears into a kidney-friendly diet. Thank you for joining us on this perfect journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on nurturing your body and living your healthiest life, with a special focus on supporting kidney health with pears. Grab that pear, sink your teeth into a bite of knowledge. Okay, let's get started. Understanding chronic kidney disease. The kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste products and excess fluids from the blood, maintaining electrolyte balance, and regulating blood pressure. Chronic kidney disease (CKD) occurs when the kidneys gradually lose their function over time, leading to a buildup of toxins in the body and disruption of essential bodily processes. Common causes of kidney damage include high blood pressure, diabetes, autoimmune diseases, and certain medications. The healing potential of pears. Pears are rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and dietary fiber, making them a valuable addition to any balanced diet. However, recent studies have highlighted specific compounds found in pears that may offer protection against kidney damage and support renal function. 1. Antioxidants. Pears contain potent antioxidants, such as vitamin C, flavonoids, and carotenoids, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. By mitigating oxidative damage to the kidneys, these antioxidants may slow the progression of kidney disease and promote tissue repair. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a key contributor to kidney damage and disease progression. Pears contain anti-inflammatory compounds like quercetin and camphorol, which have been shown to inhibit inflammatory pathways and alleviate inflammation in the kidneys, potentially preserving renal function. 3. Blood pressure regulation. Hypertension is a significant risk factor for kidney damage and CKD. Pears are naturally low in sodium and rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium and promoting vasodilation. Incorporating potassium-rich foods like pears into the diet may help maintain healthy blood pressure levels and reduce the strain on the kidneys. 4. Diuretic effect. Pears have mild diuretic properties, meaning they can increase urine production and promote the elimination of waste products and excess fluids from the body. By supporting the kidney's filtration process, pears may aid in detoxification and reduce the workload on damaged renal tissues. How to incorporate pears into a kidney-friendly diet. To reap the potential benefits of pears for kidney health, consider incorporating them into your daily meals and snacks. Here are some simple ways to enjoy this nutritious fruit. Fresh. Enjoy ripe pears as a refreshing snack on their own or paired with a handful of nuts for added protein and healthy fats. In salads. Add sliced pears to salads for a sweet and crunchy twist, along with leafy greens, nuts, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Smoothies. Blend ripe pears with leafy greens, cucumber, and a splash of coconut water for a hydrating and kidney-friendly smoothie. Baked or poached. Bake or poach pears with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a drizzle of honey for a comforting and nutritious dessert option. Special note: while pears alone cannot reverse severe kidney damage or replace conventional medical treatments, they can be a valuable component of a holistic approach to kidney health. As always, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment recommendations tailored to your specific health needs.